Hi everyone, I just want to show you what I achieved from my basket of fabric scraps for the Sayonara Scraps challenge. So welcome to my channel. This is Lee from Australia. My channel is called Lee Creates, and what I'm going to show you today is what I made for the Facebook group Junkjournal Ideas and Inspiration for the June challenge, Sayonara Scraps. Now I'll put up on the screen somewhere a picture of what I started with. This is what I've got left. Just a few odds and sods. And it's not that I can't use them, it's just that I've really run out of time to use them. And mostly they're big pieces that are left. So they're not really scraps, they just happen to be in the scrap basket. So there's that left. What I ended up with was 18 tags or pockets or journaling cards, which are these ones here. I made 8 little booklets. I was just going through making up ideas. I was going to do videos on all these, but I just haven't got the time. I've got 7 of these little fabric sample booklets, whatever you call them. They're all grungy looking scraps because I just used what was in the basket, and I think I started making grungy stuff for a project that maybe never eventuated, not sure. I've got 40 of these little fabric clusters. That's my favourite. I don't know why, I really love this one. I think it's the way that the bit of doily sits on the denim. So there's 40 of them. I have approximately 4 meters of snippet roll. All different colours and variations there. I've got this bag of little pieces that are already cut. Some of them are only about 1 inch square. But I went through and I put stamps on all of them, all of those. A lot of them appeared in the snippet rolls as well. So there's a bag full of them. I've got some fabric washies. I've already used some of these in another project. So they're the sort of plainer ones there, but I've got some nice coloured ones at the back there. I've got this. This was sheer fabric, sort of like polyester of some sort. Came out of a rug, and I wanted to use it to make these little houses on these tags, and I thought it would be easier to use them if it was stuck to paper or something, so I stuck them onto music paper. But I've still got those pieces of paper to use up, but I would call that a thing. And yes, so I'm quite happy with what I achieved, and all of these will come in useful in future projects. I might even put some in my Etsy shop if I can get the time to do it. But so I think it was a successful month, even though I did not get through everything. But I did create quite a few bits and pieces. So these are all different, so bits and pieces of junk made into something else. Alrighty, so thanks for sticking with me through the project, and don't forget I'm doing Junkjournal July. That's starting on the 1st of July. Already got my book made, and I can't wait to get into it. So if you want to join in, there's a link in my video where I made my journal for that event, and there's a link to Meg's channel where you can download the list of prompts from. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked seeing how this turned out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you feel like doing, whatever turns you on. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. So cheers from Australia. Hey Roo!